In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your domain away from Wix. This process might sound a bit daunting initially, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through every step. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you want to begin by accessing the domain section of your Wix account. This is your main hub for managing all aspects of your domain, from settings and configurations to transfers. Make sure you're signed in to your Wix account and locate the domain section on your account dashboard. Once there, you'll see a list of all the domains associated with your account. Find the specific domain you want to transfer. To the right, you'll notice a domain actions icon. This is depicted as 3 small dots aligned vertically. Go ahead and click on this icon next to the domain you're planning to move. You'll see an option labeled Transfer Away from Wix. Select this, and you'll be guided to a new screen that contains crucial information about the transfer process. It's important to review this information carefully to ensure you're aware of what transferring involves, including any potential implications or charges that might be associated with this action. After you've read all the details, proceed by clicking Transfer Domain. At this point, Wix will confirm if you're sure about the transfer. You'll see a button labeled I still want to transfer. When you click this, it confirms your intention to move forward with the domain transfer. Once confirmed, Wix moves to the next critical step in this process. To facilitate the transfer of your domain to another registrar, Wix will email a transfer authorization code, often referred to as an EAP code, to the email address of the domain's registrant contact. This code is essential because it acts like a password, authorizing the transfer of your domain from Wix to the new registrar. Please ensure you have access to the email account associated with your domain's registrant contact. This is where the EPP code will be sent. Once you receive this code, it's crucial to keep it safe and readily accessible, as you'll need it to complete the domain transfer process with your new registrar. And there you have it. You've successfully initiated the process to transfer your domain away from Wix. The steps we've gone through should ensure a smooth transition, but always double-check your new registrar's specific instructions to make sure you comply with their policies as well. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.